Hey, what's up, friends and family, and welcome to STC Investing. It's Juan here, ready to cover some great material with you guys. As always, I wish you guys a great day. Let me know in the comments below how you guys are doing for today. Hope the stock market is treating you guys well. Before we move on, just want to add that I'm not a financial expert or a licensed professional. If you plan on investing in the stock market or crypto, consult one first and invest at your own risk. In this video, I want to share with you guys selling call and put options, and the example stock we'll be using for this example is GoPro. The share price of GoPro is relatively low, so it's an attractive first go-to stock when looking to do sell put options or sell call options. But before I get into that, all I would like to ask is if you could please hit the like button down below and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, so would greatly appreciate it. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so we have GoPro pulled up here. First, we could take a quick look at the graph, how it's been performing over time. Over 5 years, it doesn't look that good, but at the year mark, it looks to be making a comeback. I personally believe in GoPro as a company, and I love the cameras that they have. I don't personally own one, but I do plan on getting one pretty soon. Currently, our GoPro position is 700 shares of GoPro at an average cost of $9. So if you would like to buy and sell GoPro as you normally would, it would just be right here. You could buy as many shares as you want, or you could sell as many shares as you want, and you just review the order and process that. So this is commonly referred to as, or it may commonly be referred to as like level 1 of the stock market, and there's also a level 2. That level 2 is options, which is automatically disabled if you're a beginner on Robinhood. So you have to go into your settings and go ahead and change that out so you could enable options if you plan on doing options. So we just select here to open the options menu, and then we have buy, sell, and then call, puts. So we're going to be sticking to selling a call and selling a put. So if we want to sell put, we actually need funds, which I believe our buying power is currently only like $5. So we're not going to be selling puts today, guys. We're just going to be selling a call. So we're going to go sell call, and we're going to look for expiring perhaps this Friday or maybe next Friday. Let's go ahead and see the differences there, guys. So we select expiration for this Friday, March 5th. We have these to choose from. Like I said, my average cost of GoPro was $9, so I would like to enter a position that's $9 or more. Let's go ahead and see for next Friday. I think we're going to enter this one, guys. It looks pretty attractive. And let me just go ahead and go back a little bit and walk you guys through it. Alrighty guys, so I feel like Friday's too close, like the March 5th is already like around the corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and opt in for next week, which this contract would be expiring on March the 12th. So by selecting this one, it opens up a little bit more information. I'm pretty confident that GoPro is gonna come up to $9, but when, I'm not too sure. But I know it's already making a comeback, so I'm just gonna enter this position here. So I'm gonna press plus, and then it's gonna give me this selection here. You just press continue, and then it gives you the inputs. So I have 700 shares of GoPro, so I could do 7, because 7 times 100 each is 700 shares, and that's exactly how many shares that I have of GoPro. And the limit price is between 18 and 20. So if I put 18, it might get filled right away, or if I just leave it at 19, it might get filled right away, or it might take a while. Or I could sacrifice a little bit of this and lower it down to 18, because that's like the minimum. And if I put 18, it would get filled even faster. But let's go ahead and just try I think we're okay with giving up $1, guys. So let's just put 0.18, and then if we process this order, we'll get $126 worth of premium that we get to keep regardless of what happens by expiration. After placing this order, any time between now and expiration, there's two things that can happen. I could reach expiration and I get my shares back, or GoPro closes like at $9 or higher, and my shares get sold. So I sell my 700 shares of GoPro at exactly what I bought them at, but then I also get to keep the premium. So I'll give you guys an updated video when that happens. But for now, let's go ahead and process this order here. So you're agreeing to sell 700 shares of GoPro at $9 on or before March 12th. If you aren't asked to sell GoPro by then, you'll keep your collateral and the full 126 credit. Guys, this is exactly what I mentioned. I know there has been some controversy with Robinhood recently, considering a certain popular stock, but I largely still use Robinhood and I still highly recommend it. Why? Because it's a great learning tool for anyone dipping into the stock market and are relatively new to all of this. Robinhood has a lot of learning tips that I plan to share with you guys, just so you guys can also be more informed and do better investment decisions. So let's go ahead and submit this order, guys. And we'll press done. And it should have been filled right away, hopefully. We'll go ahead and just wait. So we had $5 worth of credit and then it went up. So I think half of them went through. Let's go ahead and just update the messages. Let's go ahead and see here. So your order is sell 7 contracts of GoPro, $9 called on 3/12 has been partially filled. In total, 3 contracts have been sold at an average of 18 per contract. So it had said it had 19. And I actually lowered it, and not all of them went through, only 3 of them. So I need to check on the other 4. So let me go ahead and go back to GoPro. Let me open back that up, and let's go down to history, or let's go ahead and open up the tab menu and see if anything changed. Oh, okay, so it dipped down to 17. So we're just gonna leave it as that, because in the short term it does go up and down a little bit, and that does affect the premium that you're getting in the options menu. Let's see, expand the 1-day mark. Yeah, we could see, so we were looking at it when it was like right here, and then this candlestick happened and it just dropped it, and that's why the premium lowered. But if the next couple of candlesticks are on par or better, then my orders would get filled. And if they get filled, I'll go ahead and see if I could add this to this video. I don't know how long that would take. But yeah, guys, it's that simple. You just put in the order and you just wait for your contracts to be filled. If it doesn't get filled by the end of the day, then if it doesn't get filled by when the market closes, then you'll get notified. Robinhood lets you know, so that tomorrow, the next business day or the next day that market's open, you're able to retry it and see if you can get your order filled. But for now, guys, we had $5 and now we have 59. So these 59s, we could literally take them and we could put them into, let's put them into ARC G. Why not? Let's put like a order of, no, can I buy in dollars? So I use my phone, dollars, there we go. I use my phone mainly when I'm buying and selling shares on Robinhood or even for options. So I'm getting a little bit more familiar with how do you do it through the computer. So also, guys, Robinhood does have fractional shares where you can buy any stock with as little as like literally $1 if you want. But I'm gonna do $5 for this one. And this stock, ARC Genomic Revolution ETF, it's actually $92 per share, but I don't have $92 currently in my account, so I'm just gonna go ahead and buy that with $5. So we'll go ahead and press buy and done. And now I own just a little bit more. That portion was the $5, and that's what I already owned. And then I'll go ahead and wait and see if I get the rest of my orders filled, or I'll go back in there and just change the limit price that I'm willing to get. I'll just have to cancel my orders and then redo them, or just modify the orders. But in conclusion, guys, if you have any questions on what I've covered so far, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And if you guys plan on using the Robinhood app or Webull, feel free to use my referral link that's down in the description, and you'll get 1 or more free stocks, and I'll get 1 as well, which is pretty sweet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.